Today I'm gonna show you how to do this easy half up styles. Now I'm gonna show you how to do an easy half up styles. So all you're gonna need is some styling products and also 100% dry hair. And then also we're gonna use some scrunchies or other hair accessories which you have or you like at home. So what you're gonna do is like put the hair behind first. And then if you have bands, leave out your bands area and also the side. And go from your ear up, goes like angled up, take out the hair for the top. And then you can use your comb or brush or your fingers to comb it out, make it smooth a little bit first. And you don't have to go too tight, just make sure it looks more smooth. And I like to go a little higher. Just looks like more volumed. Okay, and a little trick is like take the rest of the hair to the front first, and then lift the top, and then put your scrunchies in, just in case our other hair is not gonna be all in the buns together. And I'll wrap one more time. And then you can adjust a little bit and put the hair back. And then now adjust your bands. And you can also like pull out a little bit hair from the top, give you volume. And another trick is like you put it out and then tie up your hair. You're gonna hold over there for the volume. And adjust it. And then if you have hairspray, that'll be great. After you've done everything, you can just spray a little bit. Hold the style. There we are. Subscribe for more tutorials and see the products below.